How to remove WhatsApp group voice chat. So all you gotta do is just navigate your WhatsApp and just click that. Now once you are in here, you just have to click the three dots in the top right and click settings. Once you're in here, just go to your chats and be sure to back up your um messages. And once you're done with that, in case if you have something important in the messages, you have to back up your file. So after that, go to WhatsApp again, long press, and go to app info. And now as you can see in here, you should go clear cake and clear storage. Another method is to uninstall WhatsApp and make sure that you rebooted your phone after you uninstalled or clear cake in your app. And that's it.